Shares in Open Text moved up after the company announced plans to cut about 1,200 jobs across its operations. The company says this will produce annualized cost savings of about $200 million US. We get more now from Stephanie Hughes of Bloomberg. Stephanie, update us on Open Text, please.
Of course, Andy. So that's right. This news that you just mentioned caused Open Text shares to move up as much as 2.8%, which was enough to bring shares back to its highest level since May. And this came after, as you mentioned, the data software company trimmed about 1,200 positions there in this cost-saving plan. So the move is expected to initially cost the company about $60 million in restructuring costs, but it will generate $150 million in net savings by 2025. Furthermore, executives said that this should free up enough capital to create 800 positions in sales and engineering as the company pursues its Open Text 3.0 chapter launch, which involves looking at cloud computing, security, and AI. So it looks like traders are looking at this very favorably, looking at the expense management angle and just this further push into AI, because as we all know, this has been a real headline hogger in markets lately. Another company I'm looking at is Lundin Mining. Those shares are up as much as 8%, the largest intraday gain since March, and it was enough to make it a top TSX performer today. Two things are working in Lundin Mining's favor today. We got rising gold prices and the fact that the company announced it completed a transaction. So after hours yesterday, Lundin Mining said that it was able to complete a transaction to boost its ownership in the Caserones copper mine in Chile by about 19%. This increases its overall stake to 70%, and it costs the company about $350 million to complete that deal. On the other hand, we also have rising precious metals prices, and Lundin also mines gold on top of copper. So gold and silver prices gained as weaker U.S. labor data gave traders reason to believe that interest rates might be cut sometime this year. So gold tends to outperform in a lowering rate environment. So this is good news for gold bugs, and traders are taking a shine to miners like Lundin and First Majestic Silver, New Gold, and Aya Gold and Silver. Another miner that's getting a lift from gold prices is Endeavour Mining. Those Canadian listed shares moved up over 5% today, biggest gain since April. And because, though that's mostly a gold story, another detail that was really interesting there is that the London-based miner today noted that it would be replacing Surfit Kappa in the FTSE 100 index, which highlights all of the biggest companies traded on the London Stock Exchange. So that change right there, Andy, is expected to take place on July 8th, or this coming Monday.
Stephanie, thanks very much indeed. Stephanie Hughes.